This video reviews the steps to apply the Revive by RSG Aerosol E-Coat. As always, proper safety equipment should be utilized. For best results, clean the panel by using wax and grease remover. Ensure all rust and oxidation is removed from the area by sanding, finishing with P320 grit. Use Norton Beartex Thin Flex Maroon Scuff Pads to abrade hard-to-reach areas and edges. Shake the aerosol can for at least 2 minutes before use. Before applying the Revive by RSG E-Coat, ensure it's at room temperature. Apply 1-2 coats at a distance of approximately 10 inches from the surface, allowing 10 minutes flash time between coats. Galvanized surfaces must be etch primed prior to top coating with E-Coat. Apply 1 to 2 light and even coats of Revive by RSG Acid Etch Primer, allowing 30 minutes drying time before applying Revive by RSG E-Coat. To maximize the lifespan of your aerosol, always invert the can and spray upside down for a few seconds after each use to clear the nozzle. If the nozzle becomes blocked, remove it from the can and soak it in gentle thinners. For long-term storage, keep in a dry and well-ventilated area and away from direct sunlight and frost. The recommended storage temperature is 41 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and the recommended application temperature is 68 degrees Fahrenheit.